Here's what you need to know before buying a home in 2023. There's 4 things you need to know. Number 1 is prepare your credit. The higher your credit, the lower your interest rate is going to be. Pull your credit now and work on it if you need to. There are also credit repair companies that can help you with this. Number 2 is find the loan product and get approved. Talking to a lender will help orient you on where you need to be financially. Having a quick phone call with a lender will also prepare you for your down payment strategy. Number 3 is know your market and your numbers. Knowing the average days on market for the city and the neighborhood you're looking at. Knowing how long the property has been on the market relative to other properties will help you determine what to offer on it. Look at the list price to sales price. Are properties selling above or below their list prices on average? Look at the current and past inventory levels. You can also look back at longer timelines to see how healthy the housing market is in the city or in a specific neighborhood. And number 4 is many sellers and new construction home builders are offering to pay down buyers' loan rates for the first few years, also known as a 2-1 or a 3-2-1 buy down. Talk to your lender and your agent about this option, as it's a way to lower your interest rate for a few years.